Whitestone English Village. Whitestone English Village. Oh, hello everyone. It's great to see you again. Today, I want to talk about English words that are used in Japanese. Many English words are used in Japanese. For example, ice cream, ice cream, and coffee, kohi. And some Japanese words are used in English, like anime and manga. Today, I want to talk about an English word that has a different meaning in Japanese than it does in English. One day, I was teaching a lesson to a class of teenagers. It was Friday afternoon, and everyone was ready for the weekend. The students were all very tired and sleepy. So, I tried to be extra positive and enthusiastic. I used a lot of full body gestures and spoke in a very excited way. Great answer! That's right! Excellent work! The students seemed to enjoy watching me. They laughed a lot and no one was sleeping. I was having fun too. Then, my team teacher said to me, "Wow! You are very high tension today." So, I stopped doing full body gestures and I stopped speaking excitedly. I tried to be more serious. Why? Why did I stop doing gestures and speaking excitedly? Today's word is two words, high tension. In Japanese, high tension means excited and enthusiastic. High tension people are super genki. High tension usually has a good meaning. So, what does high tension mean in English? In English, there are two main meanings of high tension. The first meaning is used when we talk about materials, like steel. Bridges, for example, use high-tension steel wire. Guitars also have steel wire. When you tighten the wire, you get an exciting sound. That's where high tension comes from in Japanese. Tension also means emotional stress and anxiety. Imagine you have a very important test tomorrow. How do you feel? Imagine you are at the airport, but you don't have your passport. How do you feel? These are high-tension situations. In these situations, you will feel a lot of tension. Do you know what I thought when my team teacher said, "Wow, you are very high tension today"? I thought she was saying, "You look very stressed and anxious today." That is why I stopped doing fun gestures, and I tried to be more serious. I thought high tension had a bad meaning. So, be careful when you say high tension in English. Someone might think that you are calling them stressed and anxious. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Do you have any questions or comments? Why not write in the comment section below? I'm looking forward to reading your comment. Thank you. Whitestone English Village. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Whitestone English Village. Dun 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 dun.